help? I'd love to know.
Here comes Zara, fast and quick.
Race you there! Pick, pick, pick!
Clap your hands and count with me. 1, 2, 3, friends, don't you see? 2 hands reach.
Uh-oh, stop! That's my block! Hands off! No way!
2 hands reach.
I got it first, so there, I say.
Stop!
One more
Stop! Matt is bubbling, big and hot.
Is he okay?
Like a shaken soda pop.
Shaking. You can't touch
Pudge pushed hard, the tower fell. Zara's hurt, can Pudge tell?
I slipped.
Matt is bubbling,
Ouch,
big and
that
hot.
hurt fall.
Like a shaken
My
soda
hand,
pop.
my heart.
Pudge pushed hard, the
I got
tower
mad.
fell. Zara's hurt,
I
can
lost my
Pudgy
part.
tell? Benny knows just what to do. Take a breath, I'll show you too. Big breath in, big breath out. Use your words, don't scream and shout.
That's it, Benny.
Pudge breathed in, Pudge breathed out. That's what calm is all about.
Zara, sorry, that's not right
I'll show
there.
you too.
Pushing hurts, even mid-fight. Next time Mad comes in real quick, I'll use my
2 hands reach.
words, not hands or kicks.
Thank you, Pudge. That's brave to say friends make mistakes,
Matt is
then find a
bubbling,
way.
Big and hot. Stack it, pass it, build it tall. Teamwork wins, friends have it all.
Higher, higher!
Like a
Watch
shaken
it grow.
soda pop.
Hooray! We
Pudge
did it!
pushed
Hands
hard,
for building.
The tower
That's
fell.
the flow.
Zara's hurt, can Pudgy tell?
Amazing!
Benny
Words for
knows
mad
just
and hands for
what to
fun.
do.
Now our
Take a
tower's
breath,
second to
I'll
none.
show you too. When you're mad, what do you do? Big breath in, big breath out. What comes next? Tell me true. Use your words, don't hit or shout.
Words don't hit or shout.